In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem easy and fast in less than 50 seconds on Instagram app. So, hello guys and welcome back to this video. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now you need to wait a few seconds, so please be patient like this. Wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After it get loaded, then you will have all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram like this, click here on this option and then go down to the permissions, click on permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions of the app, go back, click on storage, click here on clear cache, clear data, and that's it. Now go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.